Hello guys, welcome to new video. So in this video, we are discussing a DSC question. Name of question is word search. This question is based upon backtracking. And first of all, we read the question. Then I discuss the algorithm for this question. After that, we are doing the code for this question. So first of all, I read the description. Given an M into N matrix, this is character type matrix, and a string word is also given in this question. And if the word is exist in the grid, then we are simply print yes, otherwise we are printing no here. So the word can be constructed from letters of sequentially adjacent cells, where adjacent cells are horizontally or vertically neighboring. The same letter may not be used more than once. So if we visit A, then we cannot take A again. So this is condition for this question. We are taking one word at once. We are not using this word again. So after that, you can see here, this is our matrix, 3 into 4 matrix, 3 row and 4 columns are given, A, B, C, E, S, F, C, S, and A, D, double E. So this is our word at the last line. And if this word is exist in this matrix, then we return yes, otherwise we are written no. So this is our matrix, guys. And you can see here, A, B, C, C, E, D is present in this matrix in this way. So we are printing our answer yes. If this word is not exist, then we are simply write no. So how we can do this question? First of all, we take the input for this question in this way, like we are filling our 2D array of the character type with all characters. After that, we find out, like, the second step is we find out like our word's first character is present or not in this matrix. We are iterate from first character to the last character. If we find out at any position like our first character of the word, then after that at that position we find out our word. Like if we find out our word is first character of our word is F, so we find out F in F at this position. Then the third step is we find out like we can create our word like iterating like upward, downward, left or right. Okay, so we are iterate in our matrix with the help of backtracking algorithm. So how we can do code for this question? So I open IDE for doing the code for this question. This is our main method. In the main method, I create the scanner class object for the input taking. So you can see here, I write already 3 row 4 column, and this is our matrix 3 by 4, and this is our word is given in front of you. So first of all, the first process is creating the scanner class object. Scanner SC is equal to new scanner system.in. So scanner class object is created. The second step is we are storing our row value in R sc dot next int. So this is row and this is column sc dot next int. So column is also stored in R C, and the row is stored in the R. After that, we are creating a R into C matrix of the character type. So that's why I write here char and char type matrix, and the name of matrix is matrix. Okay, guys. And how we can create the matrix? New char, and the row is R and the column is C. This is R into C matrix. The next step is filling the value in this matrix. So I create a for loop for the row, int I is equal to 0, I is less than row, and I increment. After that, the second for loop for the iterate in the columns. Int j is equal to 0, j is less than column, and j increment. So this is also done. So we are taking row and column. So now we are fill the value in our matrix matrix. Matrix of I and j. So what is the value of this? So how we can write here? Sc dot next. So this is our, take our first letter A and take also space, but for the wording I write here for the simplify SC dot next dot, we can write here like no care at 0, like if it take or not, then it does not matter. So this is the perfect way for taking the input. So after the line number 20, our matrix is filled with all characters that is present in front of you. So then last step is taking this value A, B, C, C, E, D. So this is simple string value. So how we can store? String, the name of word is word is equal to sc dot next int. So guys, now input taking process is done till now. So now we are create a method for searching our word in matrix. If we find out the word in our matrix, then our method is written true. Otherwise, it returns false. If it return true, then we are simply write yes. Otherwise, we print no. So we can use ternary operator for the printing. So first of all, I declare the method here. SCR. So SCEARCH search, and we are passing two things in this matrix. First of all, we are passing matrix, and the second thing is we are passing our word matrix comma word, and for the row and column I pass row and column also. Otherwise we are creating matrix dot length, these things. So this method is written the boolean value na? So I am writing here boolean, and boolean name is found or not. So if our boolean is true, then we are print yes, otherwise no. For the printing, I am simply write here. इसमें होता नहीं जैसे system dot out dot print ln, and in this if we find our word in matrix, then this I am using ternary operator for printing for the avoiding the two line. So if we found, then we simply write here yes, otherwise we are writing here no. So this is shortcut of the printing if else. So we are doing our operation in only one line. So after that, guys, now we implement this method. So I delete this for the space. So our method is created. Name of method is search. So we are declare this method. We implement this method in static way. STAT static return type is boolean. Name of method is search, and the matrix type is character type matrix, and this is 2D matrix. Okay, so matrix done. After the word is string type, word is also done. Then the int type row and int type column is here. Okay, so now we implement the algorithm for searching our word. So how we can search? We find out, we iterate in our matrix, and if we find out at any position of the matrix, like we find out our first character of our word, then we apply for the searching remaining word of our word. So how we can write? We iterate for loop 2 times for iterating in this. So I copy, simple copy and paste. So first for the row and second for the column for iterating in the matrix. Okay, guys. So this is done. We iterate our for loop 2 times for iterating in the matrix. Now, second step is if we find out if our matrix of matrix of I and j. So this is our position at every position. Then at the time we are iterating. If this is equal to our word of, this is our word that we are passing here, word of, what we can write here, word dot care, no, this is not, word dot care at 0, care at 0. So if we find out our first character, guys, at any position we find out our first character of word in matrix of I and J here. So what we can write here? Then we apply a logic ना कि हमें first character मिल चुका है. Then we find out for the remaining characters. So how we can find out? If this true means we find out one character of our word. Then we apply one more logic for the remaining word. Like our remaining word is matches or not in our matrix. So for that, I declare one more method for the searching like our word in our matrix in any way, like left, right, top, down, at any position. So if first letter is matches, then after that we declare a method here, match match. Name of method is match word. So this is the better name for this method, match word. And what we are passing in this method? So first of all, we find out this first word, then matches word. First of all, we are passing our matrix. This is necessary for searching. So we are passing matrix. Second thing, we are passing here our word. Okay, we are pass our word. And then we are passing one thing here, like we find out our first character with help of this first if condition. Like we are passing now, like at that point we find out our first character, so we are passing that index value at this position. So we are passing simply I and J, like we find out our word's first character at ij position. And after that I passing the length, like I am passing here 0. Why I am passing this, guys? I am passing because जब हम पूरे मैच वर्ड को फाइंड आउट करेंगे पूरे मैट्रिक्स के अंदर, तो अगर स्टार्टिंग के अंदर हमें मतलब हमने हमारी जो वर्ड की लेंथ है वो हम 0 बोलते हैं क्योंकि हमने अभी तक पूरा जो वर्ड है वो सर्च नहीं किया है. सो इफ दिस length is equal to the length of the word, at that time we can say that we find out our word, and the this length is we are increment this length if we find out the next character. So we increment this value. So that's why I am passing here 0 at the starting position, and this value is equal to the word length. At that time we can return like it is the base case for our recursive call of our match word method. Okay, so that's why I am passing here for the checking the length of our word, like like how many character we find out in our algorithm. So that's why I'm passing here. So this is till some confusion. So match, this is match word. If this is written true, then this if condition is execute na. So if this is true means we find out our word in our matrix. So we what we can pass here, we simply return from here return return true from here. So अगर वर्ड मिल जाता है मैट्रिक्स के अंदर, then we simply return from here and it returns here search found, it is found, and this print yes. Otherwise if it is not match at this position, then what we write here, this is if condition, this is for loop, and we are simply return from here return otherwise false. Like we are not find out our word in our matrix, then we return false, then it prints no. Now our third process is begin. This is backtracking, and match word we find out the remaining word in our matrix. So I declare one more method here, and this is also static where is static boolean, and the name of method is match word, and we are passing here three things. First of all matrix, second is word, and third is index value, and fourth is the length. So the matrix is type of character, so that's why I am right here two brackets. Word is type of string, so that's why I am writing here string, and I and j is type of integer, and we are not passing here 0, so we declare one name here. So we declare anything. I am writing here index. So you can write anything here. So the type of index is integer. So 0 is passing here. So now starting the value of index here is 0. Okay. So this is the starting of our method match word. After that, we are writing here our base condition for this question that I told you at this position. So what is the base condition? This is our index. If our index is equal to word dot length word dot length. So अगर ये होता है कि इंडेक्स की वैल्यू वर्ड के लेंथ के इक्वल हो जाती है, at that time we can simply stop our program. Otherwise this is created a infinite loop, like because you know very well recursive is call again and again itself. So a base condition is necessary for doing the question. Like if we find out our word length equal to the index, at that time we can simply say that we find out our word and we simply return true here from here. So we simply write here return true, and this true is written at that this position like true. Then this is also execute, then it return true, then we find out means after that it print yes, otherwise it print no. So this is base condition for our, like when we find out our word, at that time we are written true here. One more base condition we can write here, like there are position like this method is call itself recursively. So it may be occur like we pass our position here like 2 3, I is 2 and j is 3. At this position we are passing this value. So I is minimum value of I can be possible is 0, you know very well. J value can be possible 0 minimum, and maximum the matrix length, okay, column length, and this is row length. If it break the boundary of matrix, at that time we can say that we not find out our word and we return the false. So this is also necessary ना, क्यों ये तो रिकर्सिव कॉल करेगा, तो ये तो अगर इसको रोकेंगे नहीं तो i माइनस में चला जाएगा. सो दिस इज द कंडीशन फॉर एरे आउट ऑफ बाउंड ऑफ लेंथ. आई होगी आपके सामने भी एरर. तो फॉर अवॉइडिंग दैट we are passing we are creating one more if condition for stop our loop, our program, sorry, program, our method, when we find out like it cross the boundary. So if we write here like value of row, so this is better if we write here int type row, int type column, and this is matrix. Okay, so this is now better. So if our row is less than 0, it condition may be happen after row less than 0 or row greater than equal to matrix dot length, ये भी हो सकता है. After that column is less than 0, it can also be happen. After that column column is greater than equal to matrix of, we write here 0 dot length. Why I'm writing here 0 dot length? Because the what is the meaning of 0? 0 means the first row, because we know very well the all rows are equal length. So we can write here na matrix of 0 dot length. You can also write here 1 dot length. So we are taking the first row. So कॉलम की लेंथ अगर इससे भी ज्यादा इक्वल हो जाती है तो भी हमारा ये बंद हो जाएगा. आफ्टर दैट कॉलम के लिए हो गया. देन दिस इज नेसेसरी कंडीशन मैट्रिक्स ऑफ रो एंड column, and if this is not equal to, if this matrix of row and column, this is not equal to वर्ड ऑफ वर्ड डॉट केयर एट वर्ड डॉट केयर एट इंडेक्स। सो इसका क्या मीन्स है मैं आपको बताऊंगा। अब ये नहीं समझ में आएगा ये क्यों लिखी है मैंने ये कंडीशन, वर्ड डॉट केयर एट इंडेक्स। अगर ये होता है तो सिंपली हम करेंगे रिटर्न होल। सो एक बार बता भी देता हूँ। सो when we call this method recursively, then if we find out the next character of our word, at that time we are simply increase the value of index na. So if we increase the value, so that's why we are written like index is equal to word dot length okay. So इसकी वैल्यू इंक्रीज करते जाएंगे तभी तो हम कह सकते हैं ना कि हमें वर्ड के जो नेक्स्ट करेक्टर्स है वो मिलते जा रहे हैं। एंड एट एनी पोजिशन वी फाइंड आउट द length of the word like equal to the index okay. So we can simply say that we find out our word, and at any position when we increase the index value, so if word dot care at index, like we are saying here, like for any word, for the any character for our word, like it is not equal to matrix of row and column is not equal, then we simply return here false. So that's why I am writing here if condition. If I when I write next algorithm, sorry next algorithm, जब आगे का कोड में लिखूंगा तभी ये बेटर समझ में आएगा, कहने का मतलब ये। So guys, we are declare a variable here, boolean find or not. So again boolean found, and now I am recursive call, I am doing the recursive call in our match word, like at this position row and column we find out our one character, then it's our responsibility to visit all the position upward, downward, left or right. So for the visiting the all position we write our recursive calls of our methods okay. So for before that we are declare something here, like if we visit that position or not. If we visit like next 2 comma 3, so we cannot again visit at that position okay. So how we can write, like we are storing the value of in character. So character type, this is our temp variable, and I am storing the value of matrix of row comma col. So we are storing the value in temp. Why I am storing the value in the temp? I am storing the index, like I am storing the character in the temp variable. Why I am storing? You know very well, when we doing the recursive calls in backtracking, then what is the meaning of backtracking? If we not find out the way to go in like searching way, at that time, if we not find out, then we take the back step now. So we also find out, also declare here matrix of row comma col is equal to, so I write here any symbol, so I write here dollar symbol. What is the meaning of dollar symbol here? Dollar symbol here means you can write here hashtag also. So it means we visit this position okay. So if we visit this position, so matrix of row comma value is dollar here, so we change the value of the character in the matrix okay. So what is the meaning of this? Meaning of this is we cannot assume like our cursor is come at this position again, because this is not equal to any word character in our word in our matrix, like डॉलर, डॉलर तो है ही नहीं ना हमारे वर्ड में, तो इसके इक्वल तो कभी होगा ही नहीं, इस पर तो आएगा ही नहीं दोबारा। So if we take the back tracking step, so after that we change the value of matrix row comma col, we change the value dollar to again the same value. So that's why I am storing। एल्गोरिथम में आगे बढ़ेंगे इसमें तो देखेंगे कि मैट्रिक्स के अंदर हम ये पोजीशन विजिट कर चुके हैं, मैट्रिक्स ऑफ रो एंड कॉलम। सो दैट्स व्हाई वी डिक्लेयर हियर डॉलर साइन, बिकॉज वी विजिट दिस पोजीशन। सो आगे का वर्ड फाइंड आउट करेंगे तो हम अगर हम देखते हैं कि हमें वर्ड नहीं मिल रहा है, बैक ट्रैकिंग स्टेप लेंगे वहां से। तो बैक ट्रैकिंग स्टेप लेने के टाइम ये हमारा वर्ड तो डॉलर बन चुका है ना, मीन्स हमने कह दिया है कि हम इस पर विजिट कर चुके हैं, we visit this word, visit this character. So for avoiding this, we store our matrix of row column in temp variable, and we again change the value of matrix row column to the temp. Like we change our original word to dollar. If we not find out our particular word spelling in remaining position, then we again change the dollar symbol to our original word, original character. Okay, so that's why I am writing here these two steps. Okay, and this is necessary for doing the backtracking. So now I am recursive call this method again and again. So I copy this method, complete method, and I write here matrix of. So this is method call. So that's why it is not need to write like this. वीडियो काफी लंबी हो रही है, बट समझाना जरूरी है इस क्वेश्चन को कि ये क्यों हो रहा है. सो अभी क्या करेंगे, वी आर डूइंग 4 स्टेप हेयर, 1 फॉर द अपवर्ड, second for the downward, and third for the left, and fourth for the right direction. Uh, we search in all direction. So this is our method calling. I copy this, and this can be 4 way. So I am writing here 4 times. Okay, I writing here 4 times, and for the better visualization I am writing here this. Okay, so अभी क्या करेंगे, ये तो यहाँ पर कॉल हो रहा है. So at first position we are writing here row -1 and call is remaining same, and we are, what is the meaning of this? Means we are going upward direction, and we increase the value of index because we find out our word here. Okay, so this is necessary, like when we call these methods, then index plus is done in every case because we find out our word. If we call our, like कोई भी पोजीशन में जाएंगे तो हमारे इंडेक्स की वैल्यू मिलेगी ना हमें, कि लाइक हमारे वर्ड, हमारा जो वर्ड का करेक्टर होगा वो हमें मिलेगा व्हेन वी आइटरेट इन आवर मैट्रिक्स. सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज द नेसेसरी स्टेप फॉर इंडेक्स प्लस, and this first method for the upward direction, the second for the downward +1. Like in this column is same, row plus means we are going in the downward direction, and the third method for the column minus. What is the meaning of this? Because we are remaining in the same row and we are see at the left position, and the next is we are going in right direction, so column +1. So this is the fourth step for searching our word in all direction, and you know very well these methods is find out for the each character for our word, and we find out any character, then we increase the index value na, because this is our base case. If our index value is equal to word dot length, then return true. अगर ये किसी भी केस के अंदर ये हो जाता है कि मैट्रिक्स ऑफ रो एंड कॉलम नॉट इक्वल टू वर्ड डॉट केयर एट इंडेक्स, मींस वर्ड का जो भी करेक्टर है इंडेक्स की वैल्यू भी इंक्रीज हो रही है, यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हो, बिकॉज वी इंक्रीज द वैल्यू ऑफ इंडेक्स. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस? इफ वर्ड इज दिस, लाइक दिस इज वर्ड. Okay, guys. So we are iterate, we find out X, then we are find out O. If O is not find out in this, like matrix of row column, so if is not equal, then we simply write na, like we written here false. So that's why we increase the index value, and we find out for the every character here, we are passing here index and matrix of row column. If it is not equal, then return false. Otherwise, this is not execute, and we are simply write our algorithm. And this is the last case. This is our backtracking process, guys. Like if we not find out our what happened. So now we are writing here our backtracking step. Like यहाँ तक अगर हमें अपना वर्ड नहीं मिलता है तो हम क्या कह सकते हैं कि जो हमारा रूट था सर्च करने का वो गलत है, हमें एक स्टेप बैक लेना पड़ेगा. सो यू नो वेरी वेल how we can take back step if we convert this dollar symbol to our original character, because if we convert this dollar, then we cannot assume that we take the back step. So for the taking the back step, we change our matrix of row column to our 10 10. ओके, ये समझ में आया अभी? अगर यहां तक भी हमें अपना वर्ड नहीं फाइंड आउट होता है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, अपनी मैट्रिक्स ऑफ रो कॉलम को क्या कर देंगे, अगेन से वो सेम वर्ड सेम करेक्टर दे देंगे, एंड नाउ दिस इज बैक ट्रैकिंग स्टेप हेयर, सो वी चेंज आवर वर्ड अगेन, character again, I am saying again and again word, and we are simply write here return, what we can return here, return found. If it find, then it return true, otherwise it returns false. So after that, after the all execution, the last step is execute. So क्या हो रहा है, स्टार्ट से बता देता हूँ, इनपुट टेकिंग प्रोसेस. आफ्टर दैट, this is for the search. If we find out the single character at that time, matrix of ij is find at any position, word dot char at 0. This is we find out at any position, like word first character is equal to matrix of ij. At that time we call this match word. It returns true, then it return true from here, and it pass the value, it return the value here, and it print yes, otherwise it prints no. Because if we not find out a single character here, then the return false statement is execute. Otherwise, if our this is executed, then our algorithm is work properly. So I run this code. So run sc dot next int sc dot word string. So a string word is equal to, oh sorry for that, ये गलती हो गई मेरे से. So again I run my, yes, इसको दूसरा भी करके देख लेते हैं. मीन्स अगर यहाँ पर एल होता, जो इसमें एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं कर रहा है, या हम यहाँ पर लिखें ए बी सी सी ई डी, ए बी सी सी ई डी, इसके बाद एस लिख दें तो होगा, देख लेते हैं. सो वी आर रन अगेन, नो. So you can see here, this is our backtracking algorithm. So this is simple. Match word is search in all direction, left, right, top, bottom. Okay, and if we not find out at last, then we simply take the back step, like backtracking step. Okay, and we return the value here. So this is algorithm. You can take screenshot of this, and hope you understand how this code is work. So thank you so much guys. मिलते किसी न्यू वीडियो में. वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक कर सकते हो, और अपने दोस्तों के साथ भी शेयर कर सकते हो. चैनल पर नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब भी कर सकते हो. थैंक यू सो मच.